Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Miss.
Good morning, my students.
Morning,
How are
Miss.
you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you, Miss?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, my students. Before starting the lessons, Miss will be absent first. So, who is not present?
Nothing, Miss.
Nah, okay, my students. Today, we will learn about parts of the plant's body and their functions. Before that, I want to ask, does anyone remember what we learned yesterday? Jadi nih, sebelum kita masuk ke materi baru, Miss mau bertanya dulu nih. Ada yang inget nggak kemarin belajar tentang apa?
Pindah tentang perpindahan kalau, Miss.
Yes, true, give applause to your friends. So, does anyone remember what heat transfer is? Jadi kan kita kemarin itu belajar tentang perpindahan kalor nih. Nah, jadi ada yang masih ingat nggak kemarin itu apa sih perpindahan kalor itu?
Perpindahan kalor itu, Miss, proses berpindahnya energi panas, Miss, ke benda.
Yes, it's true. Give applause to your friends. So, heat transfer is the process of transferring heat energy from an object with a low temperature to an object with a high temperature. So, today we go into a new material that is part of the plant body and their functions. Okay? Before that, does anyone know what plants means? Jadi hari ini kita masuk tentang materi baru, yaitu tentang bagian tubuh-tumbuhan dan fungsinya. Tapi sebelum itu, Miss mau bertanya nih. Ada yang tahu nggak sih apa itu pengertian tumbuhan?
Tumbuhan itu, Miss, salah satu dari makhluk hidup.
Yes, that's right, my students. Plants are organisms or living things that can grow and develop like human too. Well, plants have plant body parts. These parts include roots, stems, leaves, seeds, flowers, and fruit.
Miss, fungsi dari bagian-bagian tersebut apa, Miss?
Oh, good question, my students. So, the root function, among others, as a part that strengthens the plants. If a plant does not have roots, it will be easily uprooted, easily toppled over by the wind, or carried away by water than its rain. The stem function as a place for the emergency of leaves, flowers, and fruit. The stem also functions to circulate mineral and water that are absorbed by the roots, as well as food substance resulting from photosynthesis to all part the plant body. Leaves function as a place for photosynthesis to take place. Leaves contain a lot of green decolored chlorophyll. Leaves consist of a petiole and leaf blade. Seed are the result of fertilization that occurs due to pollination between pollen and egg cells on the pistil. If a seed is pollen, it will grow into a new plant. Flowers are the parts of the plants that serves as a means of reproducing. Seed plants, fruit is the part of the plant that serves to protect the seeds and provide food reservoir for seed. The germinate examples are mango and apples. Fruits consist of flesh and seeds. The parts we eat is usually the flesh of the fruit. Okay, my students, those are the parts of the plant's body and their functions. Is there anything the students want to ask? Jadi itu dia fungsi dari bagian-bagian tumbuh-tumbuhan seperti akar. Dia berfungsi sebagai untuk mengokohkan tanaman atau pondasi, dan batang itu yang menyalurkan air dari akar ke daun, dan daun itu dia sebagai proses fotosintesis. Dan setelah hasil fotosintesis dan biji, dari biji tumbuh akar, lalu tumbuh batang, tumbuh daun, berbunga, lalu berbuah. Nah, jadi ada yang ingin ditanyakan lagi nih, students?
Fotosintesis itu apa, Miss?
Wow, Good question, my students. Good. So, photosynthesis is a process of forming food by plants, especially plants that contain leaf green substance, namely chlorophyll, with the help of sunlight energy. Is there anything else you want to ask? Jadi fotosintesis itu dia dibantu oleh cahaya matahari ya. Nah, jadi ada yang ingin ditanyakan lagi?
Miss, semua tumbuhan tuh dari biji ya?
Yes, that's right, my students. So from that seed, the plant grows and develop until the bears fruit. Does anyone have any more questions? Jadi itu memang semua tumbuhan itu diawali dari biji ya anak-anak, dan dari biji itu akan tumbuh akar, dan dari akar akan tumbuh batang, tumbuh daun, berbunga, lalu berbuah. Nah jadi ada yang ingin ditanyakan lagi?
Nothing, Miss.
Siapa nih yang bisa menyimpulkan pembelajaran pada pagi hari ini? Angkat tangannya ya.
Bagian tubuh tumbuhan tuh Miss terdiri dari akar, batang, daun, bunga, dan buah, Miss.
Yes, that's right, my students. So, the part of the plant body consists of root that function as a foundation that strengthens the plants, stem that function as a tool that circulates water from the root, leaves function as a place of photosynthesis, seeds functions as a means of plants reproduction. Okay, my students, I think everything is clear. Miss will give you homework to do. Okay, my student, I think that's enough of our learning this morning. Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.